This video tutorial will show you how to change background color in Google Docs. Ensure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. To start, open up Google Docs in your web browser and select any document you want to change the background for. Once it is opened, you click on the File tab at the upper left of the screen. You locate and click on Page Setup. Now, this tab will appear. In the Pages section, click the drop-down arrow button in the page color. Then, here you can select whatever colors you want. You can also choose to add a custom color. Click on this plus icon here. Then, you choose whatever custom color you want to add. Once you're done with the selection, you click OK and you click OK again. Now, you can see that your Google Doc background color has been changed. That is how you change background color in Google Documents. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye guys.